Get ready because today we are diving into the highly anticipated OnePlus 15 Pro, a smartphone that promises to shake the market and set new standards in 2025. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end because there's a big surprise waiting just for you. Now, the OnePlus 15 Pro is more than just a phone. It's a complete upgrade in every sense, designed to push performance, design, and innovation further than ever before. Let's begin with what catches your eyes first. The display. The OnePlus 15 Pro features a stunning 6.9-inch QHD+ AMOLED LTPO 4.0 display with a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate that adapts intelligently depending on what you're doing, saving battery when needed, but giving you buttery smooth scrolling and gaming when it matters. The display also supports peak brightness over 3000 nits, making it one of the brightest and clearest panels in the market, perfect for outdoor use, HDR videos, and next-level gaming visuals. Now, performance lovers, listen up. This phone is powered by the next-generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset combined with OnePlus's improved HyperBoost AI engine, making multitasking, gaming, and heavy tasks smoother than ever. With up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB UFS 4.0 storage, this device is built for those who demand speed and storage without compromise. But what about battery life? OnePlus has packed a 5,500 mAh dual-cell battery, supported by 150W fast charging and an improved 80W wireless charging system. Imagine charging your phone from 0 to 100% in just under 20 minutes. It feels almost futuristic, yet it's here with the OnePlus 15 Pro. On top of that, the AI-powered battery health engine learns your usage habits and helps extend the overall battery lifespan, so this is a phone designed to last. Speaking of AI, OnePlus has gone all in with OxygenOS 16 based on Android 16, which integrates advanced AI features like real-time translation during calls, AI photo editing tools that can remove objects or enhance clarity, and even an AI voice assistant that feels more personal and natural than ever. Now let's talk about the cameras, because this is where the OnePlus 15 Pro really surprises. The rear camera system is a Hasselblad-engineered triple setup with a 200MP main sensor, a 64MP periscope telephoto lens with up to 10x optical zoom, and a 50MP ultra-wide lens for those epic landscape shots. The AI camera engine adapts to lighting, motion, and subject recognition, giving you professional-level photos and videos without any hassle. The front 50MP selfie camera ensures crystal-clear selfies and supports 4K 60 frames per second video for vloggers and creators. Add to that features like 8K recording, cinematic video stabilization, and AI night vision, and you've got a pocket-sized DSLR. But here's the suspense. OnePlus has hinted that the 15 Pro might also come with a limited edition color variant inspired by space technology, but they haven't revealed it yet, keeping fans guessing until launch day. The phone is expected to officially launch in March 2025, with availability first in the USA and then globally, so mark your calendars. Now imagine this: super fast charging, mind-blowing cameras, AI everywhere, and a design so premium it makes you want to hold it all day. The OnePlus 15 Pro isn't just an upgrade, it feels like a bold leap into the future of smartphones. And before we wrap this up, here's the surprise I promised. For those who watch till the end, OnePlus is rumored to include a secret launch day gift for early buyers, but only limited stock will have it. So if you're an early bird, you just might get your hands on something rare. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.